So in these notes, we're going to be looking at the first Israelites and the beginnings of Judaism. Before Jews were referred to as Jews, they were referred to as Israelites. So we're going to be looking at why they started to be known as Jews, and their religion is now known as Judaism. So we're going to be looking at that. Our essential question, how did diaspora impact the spread of Judaism? So we're going to be looking at diaspora is the spreading of Jews outside of Israel. And as people came in and conquered Israel, the Assyrians made them leave the land and go to different places. And so they spread them out in a bunch of different places. So we're going to be looking at that, and how did that affect their religion? How did that affect the spread of their religion? Instead of being concentrated in one area, now they're spread out amongst a whole bunch of different areas. And how does that affect the spread of their religion, Judaism? So what we need to do first is we need to set up on the next page of your INB for your Cornell notes. Okay, so you're going to take and make a line a third away across the page all the way down at the end, and you'll do this for as many pages as you have. The topic, the first Israelites Cornell notes, goes at the top, and the essential question is not this one. It is, how did diaspora impact the spread of Judaism? So that's what you need to write here along the top. And don't write this one down. Write, how did diaspora impact the spread of Judaism? And then you're going to write the topic of each of the slides here on the left-hand side, and you're going to highlight it in one color. You're going to put the notes over here on the right-hand side. You're going to highlight any important words, anything that is our vocab words or important names or places that we need to remember. And then after you're done writing the notes for that one, then you're going to write a question on the left-hand side. This is going to be a question that can either be a wonder, something that you still want to know about, or it can be something that is answered in the notes. When did the land of Canaan when was the land of Canaan built, or something like that? Describe the religion of the Israelites. What language did they speak? Anything like that. Those are great questions that can be written here, but you're going to highlight those in another color. And then you're going to draw a line in between each of the slides. Just like we drew a line after the essential question, we're going to do that same thing in between each of these slides as well. So let's get started.